So the shorts still have a very strong hold of MPW. Exactly how strong? Well, let's take a look at it. Hey, I'm Andreas, I've been investing for over 10 years, and in today's video let's take a closer look at the short position in MPW. So it has been increasing. We can see here in this column that the change versus previous month is an increase in 2.5%. So despite them selling off properties, strengthening the balance sheet and paying dividend and resolving this situation with Disord, the shorts still continue to increase their position. They're playing a very dangerous game here, in my opinion. What happens if MPW gets a better credit rating, if they increase dividend, if they, there's plenty of bullish triggers here for this company, and it's still heavily shorted. As a result of this, we see a lot of volatility every time something positive comes out about this stock. Why is it so volatile? Well, if we take a look at, the short percentage here, total amount of shares, and then the volume, how big is the trading volume, we can see that on an average trading volume, just this here, 11,805,000 shares, about something like this on a day, it would take 19 days for the shorts to cover. So to put this into perspective, it's almost 20 days, 5 days, trading days in a week, 4 weeks, that's a month. It would take almost a month in terms of trading days for the shorts to cover their position here in MPW, and that's on average trading volumes. So it's a sizable position, and if they were to try to exit this position, well, then there's a lot of capital gains upside in the stock. It can happen very, very quickly, but we've seen the price here for MPW decrease. Now we understand a bit more why. Shorts are increasing the position, creating selling pressure. On my end, I'm very happy with the performance of this company. Small capital gain, and they've paid out a lot of nice dividend. So I'm happy to sit back, collect, and wait for shorts to exit as the company continues to go from strength to strength. Their liquidity plan, the Disord situation, and now in 2025 collecting partial rents and then full rents in 2026. Very interesting situation for this company. It's not a 10xer, but it's a clear value play, and there's some good properties. They own good hospitals, long rents. I think that the risk to reward here for the shorts is just looking grimmer and grimmer. And perhaps some of them look at, alright, what are other shorts getting into, and then just copying the trade. I don't think it's that simple. I'm a bit more cynical, because I see in the news coverage, for example, when the Q3 report was about to drop, they just covered the Q2 report once again, just before, as if it was new, commenting on the Disord situation and everything like that. And there's a lot of negative coverage on this stock. But when you actually look at the numbers, when you actually look at the balance sheet, and when you assess the situation independently without listening to the news, then I think that the picture is quite different. That's why I took a position here of about 10,000 shares in this company, and happy to sit back, relax, collect the dividend in this case. Small capital gains, and hopefully a larger capital gains to come once some of these shorts are driven out. It's expensive. They have to pay the owner of the share, and then they also have to cover the dividend as well. So it's just going to be more and more expensive, especially in future dividend hikes. If they reinstate 15 cents a share, for example, every quarter, very, very expensive. They have to cover that yield. They have to pay that dividend to the original holder. And it's not a good place to be a short then. Alright, that's been it for this video, and as always, hope you guys make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now, bye bye.